I could even build a small computer club filled with custom-made simple games. I always like reviewing tools that are top tier in their category, and today is the day when I'm back reviewing a new product by Abacus AI. Abacus AI is back with a new version of its already popular DeepAgent Desktop. This powerful desktop AI assistant is top tier in its category. Don't take my word for it, you can see the TerminalBench score on the screen. Anyway, this new coding agent is ahead of many competitors in the field. It's described as a powerhouse package, an AI super assistant that combines chat with AI models and a powerful coding agent. And we're going to put this agent to the test. This tool comes for free with a $10 per month Chat LLM subscription. I reviewed Chat LLM in several of my earlier videos, so price-wise, it's perhaps one of the cheapest and smartest deals on the market. Enough words, let's dive deep into DeepAgent Desktop. Let's dive deep. I'm going to click on download. I'm installing the Windows version. Install. The software is now installed on my computer. I'm signing in, going with dark mode. Next, I'm going to pick chat mode, and I'll actually try to code something relatively complex just by talking directly with the models in the chat. And I see the most minimalist interface ever. This is the best UI for coding. When you barely see anything on the screen, but the engine is powerful enough to execute complex tasks. Look, both the editor and CLI are displayed here, so you can satisfy all your coding needs in one interface. Let's build something. Create a Tetris game in the style of Cyberpunk 2077, include neon visuals, a futuristic soundtrack, and a live scoreboard. I'm asking DeepAgent to create a paid arcade game where a payment is required for a session. The agent just set up the project structure, created the HTML, and completed all other steps you can see on the screen. If I were to think of the fastest way to code, that would be it. The agent perfectly broke down my request into multiple steps, and it's executing them one by one. By the way, while I'm waiting, I want you to take a look at this section where it says Sonnet 4.5. You can switch the model here and pick one of many LLMs featured on DeepAgent Desktop. Anyway, we're almost done. I'm asked if I want to run the command chmod plus x setup.sh. What it basically means is that the system wants to know if I want to make a script runnable. Of course, let's type y, and the agent is now finishing up the creation of the final file. The system recognized that I'm on Windows and is making the script work on Unix systems. It's now confirming whether I want to list the contents of the current folder in a clean minimalist format. I'm going to respond yes. You can now see the directory, and finally the project is created. I'm asking the agent to launch the game for me, and the agent is starting the server. Look at this game. I love the UI. You see the cost is $1 and I have 3 lives. Let's click initiate payment, and it's not working. I forgot to share my Stripe API key and secret key with the agent. Let's fix Stripe and launch the game again. I'm sharing private and public keys with the agent, and let's hope the Stripe issue gets fixed easily. The .env file is being updated with both Stripe keys, and the game is launched again. Now the server is running with the live Stripe keys. Let's retest the game one more time. I'm completing the payment, and the game is launched. Take a look at the graphics. What I love about this is how easy it was to create the game. I literally made a paid game that works, okay? And I love the visuals. Let me enjoy this Tetris game for some time, and I lost. Let's reconnect. I have 2 attempts remaining. Reconnect. I'm playing one more time. Love the dynamics, and I lost again. I have one final attempt. While I'm playing, pay attention to the interface. Do you see we have controls, a next block section, top net runners, and system info. I like that there are so many details here. Score level, number of lines, attempts. It looks professional. With this level of precision, I could literally create an entire collection of paid mini games, open my own arcade, and charge people to play. I could even build a small computer club filled with custom-made simple games. Okay, it's game over and I am ready for my conclusion. After running all the tests, one thing is clear: DeepAgent Desktop isn't just fast, it's currently the fastest AI coding solution available. The TerminalBench results confirm it. DeepAgent Desktop scores 48.75%, outperforming many other popular and reputable tools. That's not a small gap, that's a clear lead. What makes it even more impressive is the price. DeepAgent Desktop is included with the $10 Chat LLM subscription, making it one of the most affordable pro-grade AI coding tools on the market. You get benchmark leading performance, a clean local interface, full CLI and editor integration, and zero friction between idea and execution. So yes, the data speaks for itself. DeepAgent Desktop is the fastest, most efficient, and most cost-effective AI coding assistant available right now. Let's call it what it is: a new benchmark for intelligent coding. If you enjoyed this video, leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.